Hello friends, today we are visiting Pathra, the village of temples in West Medinipur. It is steeped in history, Bengal architecture and its ruins. So come with me as I explore Pathra, a village 16 kilometers from Medinipur town. Good afternoon, it's a chilly December afternoon and we are at Pathra, the temple village in West Medinipur district. This village of temples lies at a distance of 16 kilometers from the main Medinipur town. There are a total of 38 temples in this area believed to have been built by the Ghoshal and Bandopadhyay families, the local zamindars during the early 18th to early 19th century. The temples are built of laterite stone and you can see there are beautiful carvings of floral motifs, stucco images of gods and goddesses from Ramayana, Mahabharata, and here you can see images of Dwarpals on either side of the main gate to the Shiva temple. There is no Shiva idol inside. Temples depict Bengal style of architecture, that is the Artshala type of architecture. Now we are proceeding towards the Kalachand temple complex, which lies on the left hand side of the road when you are moving from Medinipur town towards Pathra. This is the main Kalachand temple dedicated to Lord Shri Krishna. Look at the carving at the window. It seems a lady is peeping out. Then you have these Shiva temples lying side by side, and this is an open veranda cum courtyard complex in this Kalachand temple complex, and that's the ruined zamindar house built by the Ghoshal family. You can access the flight of stairs inside the ruined complex. Look at the flower motifs on the walls of the Kalachand temple. Truly beautiful. This is the ruins of the Durga temple complex, the place where Durga Puja celebrations used to be held by the Zamindar family. It lies in ruins now. That completes our visit of the Kalachand temple complex of Pathra group of temples, which was built by the Ghoshal family, namely Bidyananda Ghoshal, who was a zamindar during the reign of Nawab Ali Bardi Khan when Bengal was under Mughal Empire. Now we will proceed on the right hand side of the road towards the Naba Ratna temple complex, which was built by the Banerjee family, another local zamindar in this part of Bengal. This is the Tulsi Mancho area. The temples of Naba Ratna complex are placed on a raised platform, as you can see, and these structures on the left hand side are the flat terraced Shiva temples, and this is the Naba Ratna temple from behind. This is the beautiful Naba Ratna temple, as it has 9 shikhars, and these temples have been renovated to a large extent by a local Pathra archaeological society led by a local resident, Yaasin Pathan, in collaboration with ASI. It was the efforts of the local Muslim resident Yaasin Pathan due to which the renovation of the temples and upkeep was then taken over by the ASI. In the distance, just by the side of the Kongshabati river, you can see the Dharmaraj temple. It's the hour of the setting sun, and we have now come by on the banks of the beautiful river Kongshabati. A park is being built just by the riverside for tourists and locals to enjoy the beauty and history of Pathra as well as the beauty of the riverside area. There is a bamboo bridge on the river which connects this part of the village to the other end. It's a beautiful walk on the bamboo bridge. Local fishermen busy with their routine work. Farming of genda flower in this area, as you can see. It was a day well spent at Pathra, the temple village, and by the banks of river Kongshabati, and now it was time to go back. Don't forget to click beautiful pictures at this temple site. It will be truly memorable. That's all in this short vlog. Hope you liked it. Till then, goodbye and take care.